The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 23 nautical miles southwest of Longboat Pass, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include D5 Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, D2 Reef, Longboat Key, Venice Inlet, M4 Reef, MD1 Reef, Fiesta Key, M7 Reef, Anna Maria Island, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Big Sarasota Pass, Pascagoula Channel, St. Pete Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, D6 Reef, M5 Reef, M1 Reef, and MD4 Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Your coastal waters